Hey urban farmers! Are you thinking of planting ginger but unsure whether to use containers or the ground? In this video, I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each method, and help you choose the one that gives you the best harvest, even in small spaces. Let's dive in. Ginger is one of the easiest and most rewarding crops to grow at home. It's great for cooking, medicinal teas, and boosting your immunity. And the best part? You don't need a large backyard, just the right setup. Let's start with containers. They're perfect for balconies, patios, and tight spaces. You can control the soil, drainage, and even move the container for more sunlight. Use a 10-15 liter container or a fabric grow bag. Fill it with well-draining soil mixed with compost and plant your ginger rhizomes about 2 to 3 inches deep. With regular watering and care, you'll see shoots in just a few weeks. But there are some challenges. Containers limit root spread, which can slightly reduce your harvest. And you'll need to be consistent with watering and feeding. Now let's talk about planting in the ground. If you have a backyard, this is where ginger can thrive. More space means bigger rhizomes and better yield. The soil stays naturally cooler and more stable in the ground. Plant your ginger in raised beds or mounded rows with loose, rich soil. Be careful with waterlogging. Ginger does not like wet feet. And yes, weeds and pests are more likely in ground planting, but the payoff is worth it. So which is better? Let's compare. Containers equal sign space saving and manageable. Ground equal sign higher yield and less watering stress. If you're farming on a balcony or rooftop, containers win. If you have access to open ground with good drainage, go for it. Your harvest will thank you. Whether you grow in buckets or garden beds, ginger is a powerful and productive crop. Want to learn more? Click the link below to access my 10-part course on mastering urban farming. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Until next time, grow what you eat and eat what you grow.